Good day, everyone. We're here on the Cook Islands on a fair dingham holiday. Doing my darn best to do an Australian or New Zealand accent. Unfortunately, it doesn't sound like much. Anyways, there is the beautiful Pacific. We are on the Cook Islands. We are on the main island of Rarotonga. And that's the view from our window. So I'm gonna pan back and you'll see there's like a little road we cross right there. And this is a view from our window. There's a hotel minivan to the left, and they are refurbishing the beach bungalows, as you can see. So I'm going to pull back a little bit now, and you guys are going to see the inside of our accommodations here. See if this works. Katie, hi!
Kia ora.
Kia ora to you too, young lady. How are you today? Tell us, how did you start out your morning here at our beautiful, luxurious beach bungalow on Rarotonga?
Well, Dad woke me up by doing chicken noises.
No,
Okay,
correction, let's get this straight. I decided I was going to be a rooster because everyone said there would be a lot of roosters and they wouldn't let you sleep in the morning. And it was around like 6:30 in the morning and still no roosters, so I decided to get up and I went, and I think Katie promptly wanted to kill me. But
at least he woke me up really early, and then we looked to see if breakfast was ready, but it wasn't. So we just went down to the beach so Dad could like put his foot in the seawater. And then guess who we found there?
who would that be?
Carson the dog.
Carson the dog, aka, what is it, Blaze?
No, Storm.
Storm, sorry, yes, okay.
So so he was.
You met him yesterday, guys, but go on.
Yeah, so we followed down this way and we found a blue starfish, and then we came back across the stream. Dad's like, don't come, and then he chased after us. And then when we came up to the porch, so Dad could wash his feet, Carson was just there watching us. And then when Dad went inside, I went inside and Carson waited for me, so I felt really, really bad, so I just played with him.
Oh, and who's this? Hello!
Hello.
Hello, Swedish goddess. How are you today?
Good. Notice I have a chicken hairdo today.
Ah.
I woke up and I have sunscreen in my hair and my hair's standing up on end.
Was it my waking you guys up with my rooster call?
Okay, I just saw the bus go by. So every hour it comes by, so you can notice that. 8:23.
Okay.
So in 1 hour we can catch the bus at 9:20.
Okay. Wait, let me fill somebody in. Okay,
There
go.
is a clockwise and an anti-clockwise. So
Which
that's
way is
really-
that?
I have no idea. But I noticed the bus stop's on the other side of the street. But honestly, it doesn't matter because you just go around the island either way. Who cares? I mean, we just kind of want to see.
We'll take the CNH, right?
But I'm very happy to see Frank's doing better today. Dr. Mom has been giving him antibiotics and Neosporin and all that kind of stuff. So
And the local tree surgeon has been treating me too.
Yeah, so we've been trying to keep it clean and healthy. And I'm just so happy to be here. It's been 19 years and I'm excited to be back.
Yay! And this is our fair dingham holiday.
Okay, and here is the offending piece of coral that got stuck in Daddy's fence. It's pretty big. And you can see this one edge over here is where it was breaking off and I was trying to pull it out with tweezers, but here you can see it was just broken and stuck in his foot. So we're gonna keep it in here just in case we need it for some reason. Okay, bye.
For stabbing people.
Bye.
Bye.
Just
I'll
walking
pan
through
down.
the
I'll
water.
pan down as you talk. What do we?
And there are lots and lots of little black sea cucumbers. Some are really quite large, quite impressive. And there's pieces of coral and stuff, but we
Oh, I know it well.
we do have reef shoot on today, so we seem to be doing okay.
Well, we do, but look at Katie. She does it.
Go back to get the
Oh, Katie, you going back to get your reef shoes? Here, Katie. Can I give you the camera to take back? All right, here you go.
And there's a lot of sea urchins.
Who made that one?
Doo-doo, doo-doo, doo-doo. You see, he's not really that.
Are you actually stuck on the coral too?
No, I'm just sitting,
Looks like you are.
chillaxing.
Just chillaxing. That's Katie.
Hello.
All right.
Stop moving!
That's easy enough to do here. This is like the shallowest of this, isn't it? Wait, I don't want to drop it. I want to try to get a second film you. Wait, take a few pictures, or did you already take pictures?
No.
We're about, I'd say about maybe like
300 feet.
yards. We're like 300 yards out. And look at Katie now. She is very good. She's like swimming, she's kayaking circles around me. And if you look down where we are, there's my oar. Hello, oar. But see where Katie is? I don't know if we can see any fish down there, but. So what are you gonna show us? What you're gonna do, Katie? Can you, you're not gonna go into the water, right? You're just gonna stay on the kayak?
Pretty much.
All right.
How about you?
Yeah, I might walk a little bit out there. So if you get stuck, it's low tide right now, right?
Yeah.
So when it's low tide, it gets a little tough to go through some of these. Watch, I'll show these over here. There's a beautiful coral,
Which is dead.
which most of it is dead, of course, because of tourists trampling on it, but...
Stupid tourist.
Oh, and there's Katie again. So what are we, we've come this far out. I just wanted to show everybody how good you are.
Want me to start?
Yeah, Katie's become an expert kayaker now. I'm just drifting here. Bye! Okay, go out and then turn right and come on back. Okay, we're back.
Okay.
So, Katie, they say, what is it? Necessity is the mother of invention?
I don't know.
Well, we got caught in the coral, right? And on low tide. So
I
what?
have to get out.
Yeah. So what I did is I took my
Sure.
what's it called? Rash guard shirt, whatever it is, the one that's supposed to protect me from the sun, which means I'm probably gonna burn. And I used it to tie both of our kayaks together. See? Ah, Cuban ingenuity, I tell you. And there's Katie, just kind of chillax. How do you say it?
Chillaxing.
Chillaxing. Chillaxing. I can't.
There's my little puppy.
Oh, there he is over there. He's looking at you. I hope he doesn't choose to come over here. He'll scratch me. So
He's just sitting
we
there.
tethered the two kayaks together, and I pretty much pulled this young lady here all through that hideous coral reef over there.
Oh shoot, Carson's coming.
Is he really? No, God, I hope not. Because he tries to jump on me, and then he's gonna scratch me, and I don't have my rash guard. Oh
He
my!
won't even save you either. Daddy, he's coming. Look at Carson over there. Give me an oar. Let me paddle over there.
Yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and untether you, Katie. Here's your oar from mine.
Kill me. We're gonna kill
Here's my oar.
me. Kill me.
So you're gonna be okay now?
Yes,
And
Dad.
Karsten looks like he really wants to come over here. Watch it with that thing. You almost killed me. So
Alright.
we have to untether Katie now.
I'm going to go buy my
Here,
puppy.
take the camera.
I'm going to go buy my puppy, which is all the way over there. Would you say come over here? Yeah. And there's nothing below us. Yippee! Amazing.
Okay, Katie, you're untethered.
Here we go. Goodbye.
You want to push off?
New York.
Okay, you want to push off? Okay, go towards Karsten, the dog. Okay?
Bye, New York.
And I'll meet you over there.
Okay.
Bye. And once again, she's off, folks. And I have really had it with kayaking for today, so I'm just going to walk and pull my kayak along here. And that is it for today's adventure. Last night, maybe we can recreate it today, but last night we came out with 2 flashlights at night to look at the stars. But what I didn't realize is when you shine the light in the water, all the fish start scurrying like crazy. It was pretty neat. And we ran into a bunch of crabs, pretty small ones though. Little hermit crabs and shell crabs or whatever. And the second you shine the light on them, they're all over. I'm gonna see if it'll work tonight. I think this camera has night vision. All right, that's it for today's vlog. Bye. Kūki Āirani.